Hello everyone, I am just walking to Priory Gardens and I had to come to this spot because just look at all the beautiful autumnal colors. Each is different and each is beautiful. Look at all these beauties! And the sun has come out. It's been such a dark and gloomy day so far, and in the last 10 minutes it changed. Beautiful. It's not a lot of time left till there's any leaves on the trees, but we'll admire them until they are. And there goes a little duck. Where are your friends? Let's go find them. I am not the only one doing this. Everybody's enjoying to go through the crunchy leaves. Now the horse chestnut, it's almost bare. There's still a few. Now you're looking absolutely stunning. I think I might have showed it to you before, but it must be included because it's so gorgeous. Look at those colors. And here's the geese. Run! Somebody's feeding them, so most of you are in the shade. Oh, there's loads of gulls visiting as well. There. The gulls can be so very noisy and they annoy the geese. I can see two grey legs there in the middle who are really upset. Aww. More out here. Hey, no fighting. Be good. It's been a while I've seen such a commotion. Anyway, I am happy that I got to see you guys. Oh dear, I think that one has a red leg. Oh. Okay, the light has changed. Okay, let me just show you. There's loads in the water and loads just here besides me. And then the gulls are circling. Okay. Well, stay safe all of you. I'll see you next week hopefully.